Today I will guide everyone using MKT viral software so that we can scan, batch, and download all the videos on some channel and Instagram. And we're going to scan all of the video reels. For those who don't know, this software can help us scan short videos across platforms like Facebook and TikTok. And then automatic editing of over 500 effects to bypass copyright and upload these videos to multiple platforms. It's completely automatic. Today I will show you how to scan all the real videos on any channel Instagram. Then everyone comes in on the main interface of the MKT viral software. People go to the video download scan section. I will choose the Instagram platform. On the Instagram platform, we can only scan by channel, and we'll need an Instagram account to scan it. I have to Insta accounts here. That's enough to scan. And now I need a channel to scan the video. Let's see what channel we have. This Nat Geo. I'll try this channel. Lots of views too. I'll scan it. Copy this link back. Paste it here. There, now I will set it up. Let's see how many of these videos we can scan. I'll try 100 videos. Then you click start, the software will automatically scan. The software has automatically scans for us. 100 videos everyone. Now I'm going to try download these videos. Let's see how the quality is. Press CTRL-A to highlight this. And click on copy video link. Once we have the link, then we go to the download and paste the link here. And we're going to choose a folder to put in. Here I have already chosen, and press start, the software automatically download these videos for us. It only takes 2 minutes that the software has automatically downloaded. These videos are for us. Now I'm going to check out the video. That's what people see. Check the quality. Then now I will try. Let us try editing some of the videos. I will go to this video edit section. And I'm going to choose a folder that, after I edit, I will save to it. This category, for example. Then I'll choose some basic effects. I'm going to use the 2 videos as one. There are some things. Very nice effect to help us group, for example. Join 2 videos into one, or join 2 videos. Or convert it to video up and down. There's going to be a lot of effects like increasing the speed, full color or flip. Insert text, insert logo, and so on. A lot of effects always. People can refer to. There's a lot of intro here. I will find the part that combines 2 videos outro, because this part will help us to see the most clearly. The software will automatically go how to edit. I'm going to add my promotional video in. Save this and click check here. People click here. I will choose some videos to edit. I will choose the videos I just downloaded. The first 30 videos. And I will automatically edit them. So now I press start. This auto editing software automatic batch editing always. I will check now. I'll compare it to the original clip. I'll play the original clip. We're going to play this clip. There is nothing at the end of this clip, right? And this is the clip that I edited. This everyone. I've added my ad in the following paragraph, and all of these clips are like that. It's all been edited. That's the way it is. We use MKT viral software to go scan and automatically download and edit those videos from the Instagram platform everyone. This is the end of my clip. Bye everyone.